install my rally lights myself on my Nissan. Man, it's a blare. Can't even see nothing. Man, crazy. Can't even see nothing, man. As you can see, brand new car, push button. Man, the light make it look crazy. And hey, you know how I get this. Got a new job. You know, making over good bread over the co-vote, and you get a co-vote check because you working. Man, check that out though. And I got one in the side there. Yes sir, blind your ass. Woo! Yes, look like diamonds in that motherfucker. Ooh, wait. I put the LED lights in the side right here too. Yeah, I like the lights, LED. But I noticed when they put the LED lights for the headlights, it makes them have a low beam. So I don't like that. But these rally lights, oh man, check that out. LED, man. I like the regular bulbs. The police won't bother me. They're just regular, clear, transparent. See? You know? But all I did was take some wire, ran them to series, and put a switch on inside of the cab of the car. Go to your nearest parts store, get your parts. I ran them all the way there, and just took a regular switch to 12 volts from the battery and broke it at the red and put a 12 volt switch to direct current on a parallel series wire. Run it all in parallel series, but I put a switch on a different way so I could just have one light on, because it's kind of weird if you just got one light.
Remote learning centers, and you can enroll on the spot. You definitely
So I
don't
got
want
a
to miss
switch in
this
there, man.
afternoon.
So I could just turn that off. You know, in case the popos be wanting to get down, I could just turn that off. Bam! Just have that like that. And I fished the water through the panel. You know what I'm saying?
Piece of junk all summer. Nephew, I tried to give you my playbook.
You could just turn the switch. A two switch running in parallel series. You break one end of the positive and you run the direct volts to the 12 volts, and then you got to switch like that. See? I turned the switch on, turned the switch off for my viewers. That light ain't on no more. You see him down there though. You see me. Yeah, you see them lights down there, man. It's a good old life right there. And just turn that off completely.
Remember when Trump
Here,
downplayed COVID-19?
let me turn the switch on.
It's going to disappear one day. It's like a miracle. It's time to fire politicians who failed us. Remember whose side Trump is on.
All right.
Not ours.
Now it's completely off. Look at that. Look at the difference from over here, way back here. I had to go way back there to tell you the difference. Total difference. People pull up in front of you and put their brake lights on. I got something for you. It's called total blackout. See, and then they will get the police to think you stay all outside of there. But when you go past that motherfucking police, it's just like this. Incognito. Just turn them off, people. And could proceed your procedure. You even can see the paint on their car with this damn lights here. You know what I'm saying? Bam! You can motherfucking get that shit. When you pull up on me and put on your brake, you believe that. That Nissan gonna get like 160 miles per 160 miles per hour. That's almost like me NASCAR. Shit. Well, rally lights, what the dude Ken Block used, you know, he do the same thing, man. Shit. They put these rally lights on there, now they can hide the corners and break the mother Jake, and man, they be flowing through there, man. Shit, man, why I'm a black man that can't do the same damn thing in my hood? Fly through the goddamn city and don't worry about no damn police pulling me over. Man, these dudes is in London and Paris flying these cars through mid-air. And black people, they fighting over some goddamn black American flag. Shit is goddamn ridiculous. There don't be no motherfucking black people with these goddamn events. But they got your dumb ass on the TV running from the cops. Man, I'm running through the streets with headlights on. Man, I'm out.